we all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front, a machinery will present a beautiful pulsating heart as symbol of our love to the Lion City, Singapore. This is Sarang's way to reciprocate a heart from us to send a little love your way. And now get ready for the grand finale of today's display. Please look straight ahead as the team is coming together for a jaw-dropping display of synchronized brilliance. The Sarang split on the soul-melting tune of Vande Mataram. As the formation split